The Custom Job feature can combine originals from the ADF and Platen glass to make one copy job. Tap Copy on the home screen. Load your first set of originals either in the ADF or Platen glass. For this demonstration, we will first place the originals in the ADF. From the menu on the left side, tap Custom Job. Tap the switch to turn it on. Then tap the green Copy button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap Scan from Automatic Feeder. The system will begin copying all the pages from the automatic document feeder. To continue, place an original on the Platen glass. Tap Flatbed to begin copying from the Platen glass. Continue scanning originals from the ADF and/or Platen glass as many times as necessary by tapping either Flatbed or a DF. When finished scanning all the pages, tap the green Done button in the upper right corner of the screen.